Welcome back to your next lesson, number 13 in the sequence of Soon 73. This next lesson is a super short one. It's called Appearing to Block and Close. So let's go ahead and review all the goodies that you have so far, just like you would follow along in a live class. From behind, I'll face my 12. This is my 3, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Getting oriented to the space. Take a few slow breaths and notice that you are in your body. Your feet are touching the ground. Feel that your knees are bent and relaxed. You're breathing from your belly. There's no tension there at your core. Head and chest are lifted up for good posture. Arms are a little bit open at the sides. After a few breaths, getting centered, we go from Wuji to Tai Chi. Shifting the weight, right toes turn to 12. Whole body facing 10:30 as the hands come up as if holding a gift. Sink the weight to the right foot so the left foot can take a floaty step on the heel. Once the foot is flat, it takes our weight, barely step in with the follow step. Right toe turns to about 130 and holds our weight as we do leisurely tie code until we have to shafit. Then the right foot circles with us only to about 430 till we face 3, step to 3, and give a push, aligning the left heel so the right one can just pivot to the front. Fingers point up, hands open to shoulder width, and close to head width. Single whip left. Left little step to 12, then shift weight, opening the palms. Let the elbows point down, relaxing the shoulders as we bring in the right toe to the front, the right fingers point down and lifting hands. Right palm faces the front, drops to the chest as we step on the heel and move into white crane flashes wings. The palms face each other again at the chest. The hands open to width of shoulders and then back to width of head. Brush knee left. Opening the right hand on the right leg. Left leg opens in a cat stance. Step down on the heel. Brush over the left knee facing 9 with a tiny follow step. Playing the lute. Right foot back. Both palms face in. Shift weight back. Raising the left toes facing 10:30. Touch the toes facing 9. And then intercept, deflect down, parry and punch. Step to 7:30, shift weight, extend the right hand to 9. Right foot steps to about 10:30, shift weight, parry the left hand to 9. Step with the left foot to 9 o'clock, both hands make fists. The follow step pushes the right fist over the left forearm. And that's where we are so far. So we'll just go ahead and close there. And I'm going to show you the next move from the front, which is super easy. So we end here after our punch in appearing to block and close. We come to here. That's it. That's the whole move. I know, after all of that long number 12, number 13 is just boom, that's it. Let's go over it a few times. So facing our 9 o'clock, we have our punch to 9. Then the feet, the right foot goes flat, it takes our weight, and as it does, we raise our left toes, and our belly turns to kind of crank the chi up facing 10:30, and then we come back turning the belly to face 9 in an empty cat stance. Yeah. So here the weight's on the left foot, right fist punches. So the right foot goes back. As it does, we turn our waist, lifting left toes. We turn our waist back to 9 to here. That's it. So after our punch, the feet, right foot flat, takes our weight, raise the left toes, belly to 10:30, plant the toes, belly to 9. Let's bring in the hands. So we have our punch over the left forearm, right foot flat, open the fist. Bring the weight back, the hands separate and come back here, face 9, touch the toes, hands are in front of shoulders. I know you couldn't quite see that. So if you see it from the front, it looks like this. The right foot goes back, we open our fist, our belly turns to about 10:30 as we raise the left toes, the hands open, we turn back to 9, and now the palms are open in front of the shoulders. That move is called appearing to block and close. Let's do it again. So we have our punch with the right fist going to 9, right foot flat, open the fist, the hands separate, coming wider as we face 10:30, face 9, palms in front of the shoulders, toe touching. So from the front, the palms are right in front of the shoulders. Fingers are up. But they're not really close. They're about here. It goes round, boom. Like you're going around a ball almost is what it looks like. So we have punch over left forearm, appearing to block and close. Right foot back, open fist, shift the weight back, opening the hands. We're kind of facing 10:30. The hands are in front of the shoulders as we come into cat stance facing 9. That's it. Appearing to block and close. From the front, punch, step back with the right foot, open the fist, crank up the chi, turning the belly to 10:30, and then back to face 9 o'clock. Let's add it into our form. And I'm going to start a little over here so I don't run out of room this time, hopefully. Relax, you are doing super fantastic. About halfway through the first section of Soon 73. You got this. Take a breath, relax, and let's go from Wuji to Tai Chi, shifting the weight, right toes to 12. Center the weight. Hands come up with no tension at all in the shoulders. Hands drop down to the belly, fingers forward as we step very lightly towards 10:30. It's almost like the follow step pushes the hands out. And then right toes turn while right palm turns up. Raise the left toes and at the same time connect the left hand. Turn the waist, turn the left toes. Switch feet, turn the right foot. In our leisurely tie coat, we look to 3, step to 3, and push to 3. Aligning left heel with the right. Facing 12 o'clock for a conscious breath in and out. Single whip left. Little tiny step towards 12 with left foot, opening the palms to face 12 in an uprooting push. We turn the waist, opening to about 1:30 or 2, then facing 12 again, right toe in front for lifting hands. And then white crane flashes wings back in to take a conscious breath for open and close. Brush knee left. Empty the left foot. Open the left leg. Step down lightly towards 9 o'clock. Facing 9, tiny step in. Playing the lute. Both palms face in. Shift the weight, Turn the belly to 1030, and then back to 9. Intercept and deflect down. Parry and punch. All that is right here. So step with the right foot to 1030, right hand turns palm down. Shift weight parry, left hand forward. Left foot steps to 9, both hands make fist. Right follow step pushes right fist out. Now, step back with the right foot, open the fists, open the hands, raise the left toes facing 1030, face 9, hands in front of chest, in an empty cat stance to 9 o'clock. And then we'll just close from there. Excellent. So I'm going to show you actually from once we turn to our 9, everything is oriented directly to 9 o'clock unless we do those little cranking of the cheese like there in the playing the lute. And also when we come into appearing to block and close. See the space between the feet? We don't want them one right in front of the other. We want a little space between them. So now no longer facing 9, the belly is kind of cranked to 1030 and then back to 9. Yeah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. Looking forward to seeing you on the next leg of your journey. And if you ever have any questions, please feel free to message me either through the website, through my phone number, which is on the website. You can leave a voicemail, you can text me. If you have any questions at all, I want you to feel like you're really understanding what you're doing. And if you're not, just ask me. We'll make sure you get to where you're going with full understanding of each and every tiny detail. Thanks for joining me. Until the next time, stay Chi strong.